Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about Container Corporation of India Limited. It is one of the Navaratna company. The current market capitalization of Concur is 25,164 crores and the Concur is the leading rail freight transporter. It has reported a steady set of earnings for the fourth quarter of the financial year 2020. But because of weak demand environment, it had an adverse impact on volumes. But the operational performance is very impressive, guys, because of a strong expansion in its margin. For long-term investors, this share is a cakewalk. Let us first see the quarterly results highlights. The standalone revenues of Concur for the fourth quarter financial year 2020 is rupees 1569 crores. The standalone revenue for Q4 has decreased by 10% when compared to year on year, because for the Q4 financial year 19 the total revenue is rupees 1750 crores. But because of an expansion in operating margins that drove the earnings before interest and tax higher by 24%, and the write back of provisions of rupees 30 crores in the base quarter has increased the margin performance for the quarter 4 of financial year 2020. And the employees expenses were higher in Q4 of financial year 19 on account of leave encashment and implementation of pay commission, which has been reduced in Q4 of financial year 2020. And the next thing is that the EXIM business volumes declined by 5% from a year ago, but the domestic volumes has increased by 2%. The slowdown in the domestic economy increased the competitive intensity and limited participation. It's a good thing in one way. And the market share of the company for the financial year 2019 is 73%, and for the financial year 2020 is 67%. And another important thing is that there is an increase in land license fees. Concur operates terminals on land leased by the Indian Railways. The land was offered at a subsidized rates to the company, that too paid at a variable fee linked to its volume. But from the financial year 2021, the Indian Railways has discontinued the existing agreement and has started charging fixed lease rentals based on the current market rates. The company's margins are set to take a big hit because of this increase in lease rentals. The new tariff structure is expected to be at rupees 450 crores, but the old tariff is only rupees 140 crores. Because of the current economic situation prevailing in the market, the company is actually expecting a 20% contract in volumes of business. But we cannot expect the same will happen. Actually, to overcome this current economic situation, the company is also struggling a lot, such as handling coal for Karnataka State Electricity Board to mitigate the impact of crisis, and many things they are doing to mitigate this current economic situation. And for the financial year 2021, the company has informed that they are going to invest rupees 500 crores towards digitalization of its infrastructure and developing and renovating its terminals. But for the financial year 2020 they have invested actually rupees 1050 crores. The good thing is that the company has informed that it is going to streamline its operations on multimodal logistic parks. And another good thing is that Concur has also stopped its coastal shipping business because of weak demand, and it also expects to restart it in the half year of the financial year 2021. It is of course a good thing. Once the coastal shipping business comes forward for the company, the revenue of the company will trend to increase. And because of the current economic situation, the company has also deferred its annual price hikes by 6 months. And friends, the Concur company is holding a monopolistic position in its business. And when compared to its peer peer group of companies, it is really performing very well. And also the competition is negligible. From the business model of this company, there is a very good future for this company. But because of this COVID 2019, the company has got a very big hit for the first quarter of financial year 2021. So we can expect the revenues and margins for Q1 of financial year 21 would decrease. But once the economy starts reviving, the company has a very good future, friends. From the investment point of view, Concur company appears to be the safe bet considering its cash-rich balance sheet and its monopolistic position in the domestic container transportation market. For long-term investors, this share is a cakewalk definitely. And the long-term investors should accumulate the stock in a phased manner. They should not invest in at a stretch. They have to actually accumulate the shares by phases at different point of time. For medium term investors also, this share is a cakewalk. You can definitely bet on this share, friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.